Hello, everybody. Today we are going to learn about the process of respiration in the human body. But before starting, let us all take a deep breath. Well, that was very satisfying, wasn't it? We all breathe in air naturally, without even thinking about it. From our birth till now, we must have taken billions and billions of breaths. But have you ever wondered, why do we need to breathe? Well, how about we take a closer look at our surroundings? We are surrounded by air, and when we breathe, we inhale oxygen, which is important to break down food and thus to produce energy. This is known as aerobic respiration. But how is the oxygen actually absorbed and distributed to various parts of our body? Well, to understand this process, let us take a closer look at our body. The air that we inhale is made up of a mixture of gases, dust particles, and microorganisms. The air enters our body through our nose and passes through the nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is lined with fine hair and mucus glands. These help in filtering the air and ensuring that no contaminants enter the lungs.
Dust particles. I won't let you pass through.
The dust particles get stuck to the mucus and the fine hair, and the filtered air then enters our throat. The throat is lined with rings of cartilage. Hi, we are the rings of cartilage. Our job is to ensure that the air passage is safe and secure and does not collapse. After passing through the air passage, the gas molecules travel through smaller and smaller tubes known as the bronchi. Finally, the air reaches balloon-like structures known as the alveoli.
Hi, we are the alveoli. We have an extensive network of blood vessels and provide lots of surface area for exchange of gases.
The oxygen in the alveolus is taken by the blood in the blood vessels and is then carried to the pulmonary vein. More specifically, it's taken up by hemoglobin, which is present in the red blood cells. The hemoglobin then distributes the oxygen throughout the body and brings back carbon dioxide to the alveolus. The carbon dioxide-rich air is then exhaled out, and one cycle of respiration is complete. So this was all about the process of respiration in the human body. Some key points to remember are: aerobic respiration is the breakdown of complex sugar molecules to produce energy in the presence of oxygen. Mucus and fine hairs in our nasal cavity ensure that dust particles and other contaminants do not enter the air passage. Rings of cartilage are present around our throat to ensure that the air passage does not collapse. Exchange of gases takes place in the alveoli. The alveoli have large surface areas and extensive network of blood vessels that aid the gaseous exchange. And with that, we have finished exploring the process of respiration in human beings. To test your knowledge, try out this quiz. Keep exploring and discovering. See you all next time. Goodbye!